Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at another opportunity that you can use to make money on Bybit. I'm going to show it to you right now how you can go about finding this opportunity and how you can participate in this very opportunity for you to make money for yourself just with your phone and network connections from the comfort of your home. So before I dive into this, if this is the first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do want to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can find value from this amazing content. So stay tuned. What you just need to do is simple. And so you're going to go about 1000 YUSDT trading competitions, trade perpetual contract, and grab your share of 20,000 USDT. What you just need to do here, all you just need to do here is to engage in these very competitions, okay, and trade perpetual contracts, and then out of the 20,000 USDT price pool, you're going to get a share from it. So how does it work? What you just need to do is simple. And let's quickly check about how you can find this opportunity on your Bybit. So the moment you log into your Bybit dashboard, focus on these very places. Focus on these very places. You can see a lot of adverts displaying here. Okay. Among those adverts you displaying here, you're going to see 1000 YUSDT trading competitions. So simply click on it. If you click on it, it will now navigate you to this very place. This is where I was, right? Okay. So roll up your sleeves and get set of your 1000 trading competitions in 1000 YUSDT trading competition. Whether you are a new trader to this trading scene or a seasoned trader, this event has something for everyone. So gear up for two distinct challenges designed to test your derivatives trading skills and reward you with 20,000 USDT in prize. Okay? So when is this event period? This event period has begun. It began on the 15th of this October, 10 a.m. UTC to October 29. And today is 22nd already. So what are you waiting for? Quickly dive into that and stand a chance to make out of the 20,000 USDT price pool. All right. What is the first thing first? First thing you need to do first is to register for the event to be eligible for this reward. How do you register for this event? You're going to come to this place to click on register. It's very simple as ABCD. Okay. So event 1, beginners trading quest, 6,000 USDT price pool. A lot are here for you to claim. If you have never traded contract with us before, this is your perfect starting time. All right. What are the challenges? The challenge, which is the competition, says trade 1000 YUSDT perpetual contract and accumulate a trading volume of at least 100 USD. It's very simple. What you just need to trade here, the volume you just need to trade here is just 100 USDT. It's very simple, right? Let's look at the reward now. After you have registered, and the challenge is just to trade 1000 YUSDT with 100 USDT in perpetual contracts, then the reward. All participants who meet the criteria will share the 6,000 USDT pot equally. All right. If you meet up this criteria, that is, you registered, you funded your account with the 100 USDT, you traded perpetual contracts, you're going to be among those who will share the 6,000. All right. So what you just need to do is to trade now. Okay. So event 2, P&L, which is profit and loss shutdown. Enter the profit and loss shutdown and compete against fellow traders. Challenge. What challenge do you need to do here? All you just need to do here is still trade the same coin, 1000 Y against USDT perpetual contracts, and accumulate a trading volume of at least 50 USD. You will be ranked based on your profit and loss which is PNL. Reward: the top 50 traders will share the 14,000 USDT price pool. You can see it's all working out. All right, it's all working out. Let me not congest this video with a lot of words. All right, you can go through it and learn for yourself. Look at it carefully. Look at it carefully and learn for yourself. Okay. All right, so check it out. So check it out carefully and see what exactly is going on here. All right, so let's go through all to see. So the first activity says register. So you click on register. Click on register. If you click on register, you're going to input your email here. Okay, that is, if you already have an account, you're going to go into login. Okay, it's very simple. This is what you just need to do. You're just going to go into login, or if you don't have an account yet, you're going to go into click on register and input a referral code if necessary. But in this case, I'm going to go into drop my referral link for you so that you can use it always to sign up. Okay, if you want to sign up with a phone number, it's still allowed. You're going to go into click on this very place in order to what, to choose your country code. Right, and if you already have this account already, all you just need to do is to click on this very place to what, to log in. All right, this is the first thing you just need to do. So the second thing you must do is to come to this very place and do what, and click on trade. So if you click on trade now, this one is going to navigate you to where you are going to trade this very coin that is being advertised to you. Okay, so which says all participants who meet the criteria will share the 6,000 USDT pot equally. All right, so you click on this in order for you to what, to trade perpetual. You click on this to trade perpetual. So that is it. So all you just need to do is to quickly make sure you participate on this before October 29th. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. If you do have any question, do not forget, drop it at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.